Hi, welcome to OrthoVirginia, the Chesapeake Physical Therapy office. Let me show you around. So here we have the receptionist, and you can come here to check in, and they will take care of any needs that you have as far as talking to insurance and anything that involves the reception side of it. So let's come in to the office. So we have lots of equipment here to rehabilitate and help if any injury. We can deal with anything orthopedic wise, and patients will come in and go to the tables, and I can show some of the equipment here. We have the total gym. So a lot of lower body injuries, back, go here on the total gym. We do some movements there. We can come over here. We've got lots of weights, of course. We're at our Chesapeake office. We have some patients doing therapy. Hello, everyone. We have bicycles. So we have very bright. It's a great environment, and a lot of the patients say that it's very positive here. And yeah, we just like to make it happy. And even though a lot of people are in pain, we just like to have it a good place to laugh and yeah, just feel better afterwards. And here we have the exam room. So if you are a new patient, you will come in here and the therapist will ask you some questions about your diagnosis. And yeah, there's the Chesapeake office, physical therapy.